Version 5.3 of PROKON Sumo can export model geometry and forces to IDEA StatiCa. This enables advanced steel connection and member design. With the analysis done, one can choose the objects to export. The steel frame is shown in IDEA StatiCa's checkbot. The various member forces can be plotted. The different connections are grouped by typology and can be further grouped to ease the design. The structural joint is then sent to IDEA StatiCa connection, where detail is added using manufacturing operations. The analysis is performed using the component-based finite element method, or CBFEM for short. Back in checkbot, the other connections in the group can be verified. In a similar way, the beams and columns can be designed using IDEA StatiCa member. Another noteworthy addition is the latest version of the ASCE 7 standard that is now supported. This includes wind loading, seismic loads, and load combinations. The wind loading is configured by various site-specific parameters depending on the code. The wind load is then applied to the building. Load combinations can be generated for various allowable stress and strength design limit states. The 2-period MCER spectrum is calculated from a set of user-defined parameters. For more information, visit our website or connect with us on social media.